भी हमारे साथ बने रही है। फिलहाल जो आई विटनेसेस का क्या कहना है, स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू दिस वेरी पॉपुलर ईटरी, द रामेश्वरम कैफे. दिस इज अ न्यू joint that was recently opened at Brookfields. The entire city that has now been left in a state of shock, but it has also led to a political slugfest with the ruling Congress government and also between the opposition BJP. The state BJP president B.Y. Vijendra has also accused the government of minority appeasement. Meanwhile, we also listen into the reactions that are happening and coming across from the said eyewitnesses who were there at the spot yesterday.
1 o'clock 5 minutes approximately. I'm not sure about the timings. So we were the residents of here. We heard a huge blast sound over here. So once we heard a blast sound, we reached the place. When we reached here, there was a black smoke forming over here. Okay. There are around 5 to 6 members is injured. In that, they are saying that around 2 members are the hotel staffs, around 5 to 6 members are the customers of this hotel. This is damn sure that this was the place of where the people were eating. This is not next to the kitchen.
Okay.
So all the granites are all was cracked.
Okay.
So like that thing with the cylinder, if there is a cylinder blast, we could have seen a fumes as well as a burnt marks over there. There is nothing happened like that. It is not a cylinder blast.
That was the account of the eyewitnesses. Say that they ruled out cylinder blast because there would have been a blaze there that would have taken place post a cylinder blast, and the impact would have been much bigger. The damage that would have been caused would have been much larger. But even when it comes to the comments that have been coming in from the BJP side, and also the comments yesterday that were made by the Deputy CM DK Shivkumar over the Mangaluru cooker blast case and the pro-Pakistan slogans allegedly that were raised following the victory of a Congress candidate in the recently concluded Rajya Sabha elections, the BJP says that the Congress party is more worried about minority vote bank.
The ruling party, Congress government's appeasement politics has stooped to such a level that today it is threatening the security of the Karnataka people of the Karnataka state. During Rajya Sabha election, few anti-national elements openly shouting Pakistan Jindabad inside the house, inside Vidhan Saudha. And still Congress government is not in a position to take any action against these anti-national elements. According to my information, FSL report has clearly mentioned that these anti-national elements have clearly shouted Pakistan Jindabad. But this fact, the state government is trying to hide the facts. They are not releasing the FSL report, and in fact, they are trying to create one more bogus FSL report today or tomorrow.
Meanwhile, a delegation of the BJP, including Union Minister Prahlad Joshi, also met with the injured victims at the Brookfield Hospital in Bengaluru, along with the governor and the state BJP president. The Union Minister, however, has reiterated BJP's attack, alleging appeasement politics that is to be blamed for the blast at the Rameshwaram Cafe.
We are not politicizing, they are politicizing it. This is the appeasement politics. Because of appeasement politics, whatever has happened, it is because of the appeasement politics. And I would like to tell you, appeasement turns into radicalization and radicalization turns into terrorism. So Congress party has to take the thing seriously. What Mr. Hari Prasad has spoken, he has spoken that they are not enemy country. Pakistan is not enemy country to us. To me, Pakistan is enemy country to the BJP. This is what it gives the strength to the terrorist organization.
पिंकी, जरा पॉलिटिकल स्लगफेस्ट के बारे में अगर आप जानकारी दे सके तो, क्योंकि सवाल पहले से उठने शुरू हो गए हैं कि बहुत टाइम बाद इस तरह की जो घटना है वो कर्नाटका में अगर इस तरह से रिपोर्ट की जा रही है और उसके अगर कोई आतंक से कोई तार अगर जुड़ पा रहे हैं या नहीं, उसके ऊपर क्या जानकारी आप दे सकती हैं?
देखिए, फिलहाल पुलिस सूत्रों का ये जरूर कहना है कि ये एक एक्ट ऑफ टेरर जो है वो जरूर हो सकता है, हालांकि क्योंकि इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी अंडरवे है, ऐसे में किसी भी नतीजे पर नहीं पहुंचा जा सकता। लेकिन साफ है कि इस ब्लास्ट के बाद जो है कहीं ना कहीं राजनीति इस पूरे मामले पर शुरू हो गई। एक तरफ जहां लोकसभा के चुनाव आने हैं और यही कारण है कि बाद पलटवार का जो सिलसिला है वो कांग्रेस और बीजेपी दोनों के बीच में जो है वो शुरू हो चुका है। बीजेपी का कहना है कि पहले जो है प्रो पाकिस्तान के स्लोगन्स विधानसभा में सुनाई देते हैं, उसके बाद कहीं ना ये ब्लास्ट होता है तो सिद्धारमैया सरकार को अब जो है लगातार घेरने की कोशिश जो जरूर की जा रही है। कल हमने देखा था किस तरह से बीजेपी के नेता प्रहलाद जोशी ने यह तक कहा था कि राज्य में पीएफआई के ऊपर केसों को को हटाने के पीछे कहीं ना कहीं यही कांग्रेस सरकार है। ऐसे में कांग्रेस सरकार को इस वक्त कटघरे में खड़ा कर बीजेपी लगातार हमलावर है, तो वहीं दूसरी ओर कांग्रेस जो इसका बचाव करते हुए ये कह रही है कि ब्लास्ट हुआ है, ये नहीं होना चाहिए था। लेकिन ये ब्लास्ट जो है केवल कांग्रेस की सरकार में नहीं हुए हैं, बल्कि बीजेपी की सरकार के दौरान भी हुए हैं। तो वार पलटवार का ये सिलसिला जो है वो जरूर देखा जा रहा है। इन्वेस्टिगेशन एक और जो है चल रहा है, लेकिन ये जरूर अब देखना होगा कि ये जो वार पलटवार है वो आखिर किस नतीजे पर पहुंचता है। इंतजार करना होगा जब सस्पेक्ट की जानकारी जो जब सामने आएगी, उसके बाद किस तरह के लिंक जो है वो सामने आते हैं। हालांकि कल कुछ
फिलहाल एक संदिग्ध के साथ पूछताछ अभी भी जारी है। वो कौन है, उसका क्या लेना देना है इस ब्लास्ट के साथ, वो अभी फिलहाल जानकारी पुलिस की तरफ से नहीं डिटेल दी गई है। बने रहिए हमारे साथ पिंकी और दीपक, बिकॉज वी ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट द रिएक्शन एंड द रिस्पॉन्स दैट इज नाउ कमिंग अक्रॉस फ्रॉम द कांग्रेस स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, which is now hitting back at the opposition BJP. Leading the charge was Chief Minister Siddaramaiah himself, who said that blasts like this have happened under all governments, and right now for them the priority first is to nab the accused.